Note: the following video depicts a specific configuration of the notebook. The same removal and replacement procedures apply to all configurations of the notebook. Before you begin, remove the base enclosure, battery, solid-state drive, wireless module, fans, and system board. Removal. Remove the two 4mm P1 Phillips head screws that secure the right display panel hinge to the top cover. Remove the three 2.5mm P1 Phillips broadhead screws that secure the left display panel hinge to the top cover. Carefully rotate the top cover until the display panel hinges are open enough to remove the top cover. Remove the alignment pins on the top cover from the display panel hinges and remove the top cover. Replacement. Note: before installing a new top cover, remove the following from the old top cover and install on the new top cover: speakers, touchpad board and bracket, fingerprint reader board and bracket, Kensington lock bracket, power connector cable. Place the top cover into position on the display panel assembly. Carefully rotate the display panel hinges onto the alignment pins on the top cover. Replace the three 2.5mm P1 Phillips broadhead screws that secure the left display panel hinge to the top cover. Replace the two 4mm P1 Phillips head screws that secure the right display panel hinge to the top cover.